is super heavy for this. See, it's just grabbing it. So this will just be a short video, and it's super heavy wind. You can see it's just taking it. Good Lord. Gonna do some inverted hover with this little S1 today, but yeah, you can see it's crazy. I'm not doing anything with the throttle except just trying to control. This is me without the throttle, or without using any collective rather. Watch it just carry it. It's trying to push it into the ground now. This is just you can see the trees. I'll try to get the trees here. See? And it just lifts it up. So, bad time to fly. I've already done some backflips as you guys saw, so I think I'm just going to, I don't want to risk going totally crazy with it, so I'd rather just keep it in one piece, have a short little video, short little flight for you guys, and bring it in, and that'll be it for the day, because it's already just a little bit past noon, and that means that here where I live, it's just all it does is get even worse as the afternoon goes on. So it's just a short little flight. Now the wind has calmed down, but it'll come right back up again. So I will end it here. Just land it. I cut the throttle before I cut the throttle. I hit the throttle switch. I clicked the throttle switch off and then pulled the stick all the way down from or pulled it into normal mode. So let's have a better landing. This is what I meant to do. I'll show you this instead. This is crazy. Alright. I'm in normal mode. I was on idle up 1. I'm now on idle up 1 again. This is how I meant to land it. I was going to come out of idle up 1. Bring it back into normal mode. Right now the wind is crazy, as you can see from the trees. So let's have a better landing. I can't end it on that note. Alright. I'm gonna flick it into normal mode. Okay. Now I'm in normal mode. Bring it back. And let's have a decent landing before I click the throttle switch off. There. Much better. And that's how I wanted to land it. That's how it was meant to be landed. So thanks for watching, guys. It's just a short video. I wanted to get out here before the wind kicked up, and it looked okay from my house, and by the time I got out here, no good. So again, I'll have the S2 out here the next time, or in a different field, or in a different park. This might be the first time you guys have seen this park in my videos. So it's decent. It's got good size, but you can see here are houses, so still kind of limited. I like the wide open field that I found that's quite a ways away from here. Anyway, thank you guys and girls for joining me. Please hit a like, please subscribe, because I'm trying to make more and more videos of my collective pitch helicopter journey. And you've seen the beginning, and I've talked about the beginning, so please follow me, and I'm really interested in seeing in what you have as well. Thank you.